A very good morning to students of standard 6th. In a previous lecture, we have started our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. We have seen many examples of the objects that is surrounded with us and by us. Okay. And we have seen many examples of the things which is made up of different types of materials. And we have seen also the different materials have a different shape and it also has a different size, shape, size, weight, color, different things. There are variety of differences in the objects that we are seeing in our day-to-day life. But we have differentiated many things on the basis of their shape, a round shape or like that also. And you can also differentiate the materials or the objects that you see in your day-to-day life on the basis of their color, shape, size and other things, and the materials from where it is made up of, from what it is made up of. And in the table number 1 that we have just seen, the things which are made up of, the things which is made up of different types of materials or the substance. If I take an example of a plate, जो प्लेट आपको टेबल नंबर 1 में 4.1 में आपको दिया है, तो प्लेट 4.1 में आपको एक प्लेट का एग्जांपल दिया है. Then plate can be made up of different types of materials. First thing is that is of a plastic. Then second one is of a plastic, then fiber, not that fiber that we have seen in the previous chapter number 3. Okay, this plastic is fiber only. Okay, then glass. Then some plates are also made up of wood also, wooden plates. Okay, wooden plates. Then we can say some plates are also made up of leaves. If you move towards South India, where? South India. When you just move towards the South India or when you just visit to South Indian places, some like Kerala, Karnataka, then Andhra Pradesh and all these places, if you just visit, then they are having the plates of leaves also. They will serve the food on the leaves. Yes or no? The plates which are made up of the leaves. So you can just say that this thing saves the earth also. How? That we should not waste the things which are made up of plastic, fiber and the glass, because they are not decomposed in the earth. Yes or no? So it will just harms the land also. But these things, the leaves are always decomposed in the earth and they also give us a manure or a fertilizer. It is converted into a fertilizer, rich fertilizer. Okay. This is another point, but I am giving you just the information about the leaves. And you can know that the forest area, okay, forest area जो है हमारा, उसकी जो जमीन होती है या उसकी जो लैंड होती है वो बहुत फर्टाइल होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो लीव्स गिरे हुए हैं, the leaves which are dried and it falls on the land and they are again decomposed in that land only, and the land gets fertile and fertile more and more. So whenever you just use a plastic, nowadays a paper plate are also coming, paper plates. Yes or no? Nowadays we are using the paper plates. That is the best way to save the trees. It is the best way to save our planet from the plastic. Okay. Now we have just taken example of a plate. So we can say that plate is made up of these all things. And if you just talk about activity number 2, this was our activity number 1. Now if you talk about the activity number 2, एक्टिविटी नंबर 2 में आपको एक टेबल दिया गया है. वो टेबल में क्या है कि अगर मैं एग्जांपल लूं कोई भी वुड, मैं एग्जांपल लेता हूं वुड की, तो वुड से कौन सी चीजें बनती है, तो क्या वुड से चेयर बनती है, देन टेबल, पेन, ओके, बेंच, डाइनिंग टेबल, ओके, बहुत सारी चीजें बनती है. ओके, आई एम राइटिंग अ प्लेट ऑल्सो and etc. Now just don't mix up these two things. Okay, this is activity number 4.1 and we are just moving to our topic. Okay, now see the things. Can you find any similarity in these two things? Yes, we can find the similarities in these two things. A plate is made up of a plastic, fiber, glass, wood, leaves and paper. And here I have given one example of a wood. The wood it is a materials, and from that materials many kinds of objects or the things are made up of. That things are chair, table, pen, bench, dining table or a plate. So from these two activities that we have seen just now, we can say that the materials that we are having, we can make many things from that materials, and okay, and the things we can have, it is made up of a different materials. ये दोनों कनेक्शन हुआ कि नहीं? ये दोनों का कनेक्शन हो गया. अगर हम क्लॉथ की बात करें, अगर सिर्फ हम क्लॉथ की बात करें, यहाँ पे हमने प्लेट का एग्जांपल लिया, तो अगर हम कोई क्लॉथ की बात करें तो क्लॉथ कौन सी चीज से बना हुआ है, या कॉटन और सिल्क विल इंक्लूड ओनली टू थिंग्स. ओके, कॉटन एंड सिल्क. आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल मोर. ये हमारा एक्टिविटी नंबर 1 था जो हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में देखा था, और एक दूसरा एक्टिविटी है वो हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं. दूसरा एक्टिविटी है उसमें एक एग्जांपल वुड का लिया, फिर यहाँ पे हम एक दूसरा एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं क्लॉथ. क्लॉथ इज मेड अप ऑफ, वी कैन से कॉटन एंड सिल्क. वी विल हैव ओनली दिस टू थिंग्स, कॉटन, सिल्क एंड जूट ऑल्सो, and nylon, we will take one nylon also. This is artificial. Okay, and here we will take example of a cotton. Okay, this is activity number 2. Okay, कॉटन. तो कॉटन से कौन सी चीजें बनती है? कॉटन से क्लोथ्स बनते हैं, फिर कॉटन के हैंकरचीफ बनते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें कॉटन से बनती है, हमें भी मालूम है. ओके, एंड इफ यू टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ सिल्क, सिल्क पे भी क्या बनता है हमें पता है, क्लॉथ्स बनते हैं. फिर वुड हम लेते हैं, वुड से तो बहुत सारी चीजें बनती है. एग्जांपल्स लाइक पेन, प्लेट, देन बेंच, blackboard, then we can say table, chair and etc. ओके, अगर हम यहाँ पे तीसरा एग्जांपल ले, चेयर, तो चेयर कौन सी चीज से बनती है? या तो वुड, प्लास्टिक, देन फाइबर. Okay, wood and plastic, will include only wood and plastic. The chair that we are having in our home. Okay, plastic chair, or you can say a fiber chairs. That is a hard plastic. Okay, fiber plate means fiber chairs means a plastic which does not, when we just sit on that chair, then it does not transform into other shape. But plastics is very thin and we cannot use it as a chair, but the thickness of the plastic here increases in the chair. That's why we can, or we are able to sit on it. Okay, students, so can you just have a look on the board and just differentiate it and see the similarity that is present in these two tables? Here are the names of the things. Yes or no? Yes, here are the names of the things and from where it is made up of, it is given on the other side. ओके अगर हम कोई भी चीज़ के बारे में हम बात करें, या प्लेट, तो प्लेट कौन सी चीज़ से, कौन से मटेरियल से बनी हुई है, तो कि प्लास्टिक, फाइबर, ग्लास, वुड, लीव्स एंड पेपर. और अगर हम यहाँ पे क्या दिया है आपको यहाँ पे मटेरियल दिया है, कॉटन का मटेरियल आपको दिया है, तो कॉटन का मटेरियल से आप क्या बनाते हैं, तो कि क्लोथ्स बनाते हैं, थ्रेड्स बनाते हैं हम. एक साइड चीज के नेम है और दूसरी साइड कौन से नेम से, मटेरियल्स के नेम से. तो इन दोनों में से सिमिलरिटी क्या है, तो कि सिमिलरिटी ये है कि कोई भी चीज, अगर हम एक ही चीज की एग्जांपल ले, चेयर, देन चेयर इज ऑफ अ प्लास्टिक मटेरियल मेड अप ऑफ, and if I take an example of a plastic and fiber here or a wood, then I can include the chair also. Yes or no? Can you find a chair and wood and chair? Yes or no? Like that, there are many differentiation in these things, so we have to study more about all these things. We are getting confused now. Yes or no? बट देर इज नो नीड टू कंफ्यूज, क्योंकि कोई भी मटेरियल होगा तो वो मटेरियल से कितनी सारी चीजें बनती है, और एक चीज ऐसी है वो भी कितने सारे मटेरियल से बनती है, लाइक अ प्लेट और अ वुड. ओके, हम प्लेट वुड से भी बनाते हैं, या मटेरियल्स कौन सा यूज करते हैं, वहां पे हम वुड का भी मटेरियल यूज करते हैं और प्लास्टिक का भी मटेरियल हम यूज करते हैं. अगर हम वुड की बात करें, जो मटेरियल हमारा वुड है, तो वुड से हम प्लेट भी बना सकते हैं. नॉट सिर्फ प्लेट, बट ऑल्सो वी कैन मेक बेंच, पेन, प्लेट, टेबल, चेयर एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स फ्रॉम द वुड. सो वी हैव टू गेट टच विथ मेनी अदर थिंग्स. We are not getting the clear picture of all these things, so we have to divide, or we have to sort all these things on the basis of the characteristic, on the base of the characteristics. Okay, so we need to study more about all these things. So from these two tables we can say that many objects are made up of materials, and many objects are made up of different types of materials. Okay, and then again one material could be used in different types of objects to make it. Yes or no? So we have to just see that which things are made up of which material, or the objects which are made up of different types of materials, and one material which is used in different types of objects to make it. So these two tables just give us different things, or gives us a different knowledge about the material and the objects. Okay, and further we will just move toward our properties of materials. Okay, that is 4.2, properties of materials. In properties of materials, we will discuss many things about the properties. It includes about the hardness of the materials, then appearance, then soluble or insoluble, like that. In properties of material, in properties of material. Now what do you mean by a properties of material? हम प्रॉपर्टीज को कि वो कौन सी चीज से बनी हुई होती है, कोई भी चीज है वो कौन सी चीज से बनती है, उसका पर्पज क्या है. इफ आई टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ क्लॉथ and I want to make a tumbler of a cloth, can I make it? No, because a cloth, you know the properties of a cloth that we have seen in a previous chapter. In a previous chapter we have seen that a cloth is made up of yarns, or we can say in a simple language that is thread. Okay, all the threads are brought together to make a piece of a cloth, that we know, but there is a space between that threads. And if you just perform this activity at your home, then just take a cloth and pour the water in that cloth. Does it remain in the cloth inside, or it will move out of it? Then we can say that from the cloth we cannot make a tumbler to hold the water. If you want to make a tumbler of a plastic, today we are using the plastic tumbler or a steel, yes or no? Steel. Then why they are using only plastic and steel to make a tumbler? This tumbler is used in our bathrooms to take a bath. So why they are making the things of a plastic and a steel? Why they are making the tumbler of a plastic and steel, not of a cloth? Because it cannot hold the water in it. That's why they are not making the tumbler of a cloth. They are making the tumbler of a plastic and steel, because they can hold the water in it. So first of all we can say that because of the purpose, the things or the objects are made up of different types of materials, and where it is used, how it is used, what kind of objects or other things should be put in this tumbler. They are thinking in varieties. Okay, they are thinking of many other things. Then they are making the tumbler. Okay, we can just have liquid things in the tumbler, yes or no? Yes. Then we can just have hard things like pins and grains also we can put in this tumbler. So they are just making all the things on the basis of the material, and other thing is their purpose. Their purpose का मतलब क्या होता है कि purpose का ये मतलब होता है कि where it will be used. ओके, तो ये दोनों चीज़ें हैं हमारे जो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मटेरियल्स में, ये दोनों चीज़ें यहाँ पे काम करती है. कोई भी चीज़ हम अगर बनाते हैं तो उसका पर्पस देखते हैं, फिर उसका पर्पस देखते फिर हम मटेरियल डिसाइड करते हैं कि कौन सा मटेरियल हम इस टम्बलर को बनाने में यूज़ करेंगे. फिर वो मटेरियल डिसाइड होता है, फिर बाद में उसकी हार्डनेस डिसाइड होती है, कलर डिसाइड होता है, शार्पनेस, ओके, सोल्यूबल और इनसोल्यूबल. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड टू मेक अ टम्बलर. दैट वी विल सी इन अ डिटेल that what are the characteristics or what are the properties of the materials that are used to make the things or the objects. Okay, we have seen in table only two tables, that is table number 1 and table number 2, 4.1 and 4.2. Objects are made up of different types of materials, and one material is used to make a different types of objects. And then we have seen that tumbler is made up of different types of material like plastic, steel, and we can add here wood also. Yes or no? Yes. So, on the purpose of anything, we are making the things, okay, where it will be used or how it will be used, okay. So, we are having one thing in our hand, that is purpose, and second one is material, which materials to be used to make a tumbler. And we will see other properties of these things, of the materials. We will see the other things also in it. Okay. So, our 4.2, that is properties of materials, and in properties of materials we will see the different types of properties of the materials. Okay, students. So, in your textbook some properties are being discussed here, that we will see here. Okay. In this, the first property they have given is, it is appearance. Okay. appearance के बारे में आपको यहाँ पे दिया गया है. अपीयरेंस के बारे में आपको दिया गया है कि कोई भी चीज़ें, जो चीज़ हम देखते हैं, जो चीज़ें हमें दिखाई देती है, we also know that we are seeing many different types of things and they are different from each other things, or we can say they are also different from other object to other objects, or we can say it is differentiate in all the things. Okay. The things which are made up of wood, copper, aluminum, iron, plastic, and etc. Okay. Now, if you just see the appearance of all the things or the objects which are made up of wood, copper, aluminum, iron, plastic and etc. कि हम कोई भी चीज़ें देखते हैं इस मटेरियल से बनती है, जो इस मटेरियल से बनती है जो चीज़ें, अगर हम उसे देखते हैं तो हमें डिफरेंशिएट दिखने को मिलेगा. अगर हम वुड की बात करें तो वुड से क्या बनता है, तो वुड से टेबल बनता है. तो आयरन से भी टेबल बनता है कि नहीं? आयरन से भी टेबल बनता है. यस और नो? एल्यूमिनियम से भी टेबल बनता है. एंड कॉपर से हम टेबल नहीं बनाते, तो वी आर नॉट इंक्लूडिंग दैट टेबल इन द कॉपर. ओके. बट ये तीन चीज से क्या बनता है? टेबल बनता है. एंड वी कैन सी द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ टेबल्स. वी कैन फाइंड a different shape, size and materials in the table according to the material which is it is made up of. अगर हम वुड की बात करें तो वुड का टेबल कैसा होगा? तो हमने हमारी ऑफिस में या आपके घर पे वुड का टेबल देखा होगा, तो वो भी कितना अलग है इस आयरन टेबल से, और आयरन टेबल भी एल्यूमिनियम टेबल से भी बहुत डिफरेंट होगा. डिफरेंट इन साइज, शाइनिंग, appearance. Yes or no? So all these three tables are different in their appearance also. You will like more table that is made up of wood than aluminum than iron, because iron tables are very hard. Yes or no? They are heavy in the weight also. So we will not like, because we cannot transfer this table from one room to another with two men or two women or anybody. We need man force work more in this table. एल्यूमिनियम टेबल का है तो वो बहुत इजी होता है. ओके. वो कभी उसमें रस्ट नहीं लगता क्योंकि वो एल्यूमिनियम से बना हुआ होता है. फिर वुड का टेबल आता है तो वुड का टेबल्स की शेप एंड साइज ऑफ दिस वुड टेबल्स एंड देयर डिजाइन, just keep it with us. Means we are keeping that table with us, we are having attraction towards that table. So we can say that the things which are made up of materials, different types of materials, they are having differences in them also, the objects also. Okay, we have taken an example of a table. Table is made up of different types of material, that is wood, aluminum and iron. But there is a differentiation in this table. If I take a table of a wood, table of a iron and table of a aluminum, then you can just identify the things which is made up of a wood, iron and aluminum on the basis of their appearance also. Okay, you are just seeing the outer appearance of all these three tables and you are just identifying that it is made up of a wood, it is made up of a iron or it is made up of a aluminum. So this was the appearance, one of the property that we are discussed here in 4.2, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मटेरियल्स. उसमें हमारा पहला प्रॉपर्टी कौन सा था? तो क्या पहला प्रॉपर्टी हमारा अपीयरेंस था. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टिल हियर विल जस्ट कीप इट. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल डिस्कस मोर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द मटेरियल्स. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, एंड गो थ्रू दिस चैप्टर. ओके, till we have completed, go through it, and if you have any query then you can just ask to me. Okay students, thank you and have a good day.